What's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hide fields in a shared calendar view so that people can't see all of the information you have on the back end of that calendar view. So I hope this video is super helpful. If you haven't met me, my name is Ben Green and I'm the owner of optimizeis. We help people, mainly business owners, but some people organize their systems, organize their processes with stuff like Airtable, Asana, Slack, Zapier, etc. So without further ado, we'll get right into the tutorial on how to hide those pesky fields. Alright, so we are in our Airtable base, and what we have here is we have a simple classes Airtable base. So we have the students, and then we have the students that are they're linked up to this table that has the classes that they're in. So you can see there's this linked record called students, and then there's also times that that class happens, or the start date in this example. So what we want to do first is we want to create this calendar view, which we can then share. So to do that, you can either come over here and use the suggested view or create a view. This one already has the filter on it already linked up. So this is what will happen when we come in here and create this view. And what we want to do is we want to see what happens when we share it. So when we share it and then we come up here, click share view, and then preview the URL, this will populate. So what we don't want to happen is people to be able to come in here and see all of this information. If we go back to the Airtable base, there's nowhere in here to hide fields. So you might be worried, oh shoot, show all fields and expanded records, that's already toggled off. So why can people see all my records? What you have to do is dismiss this first off, but you want to come in here and simply expand the record. So for this one, it doesn't matter which record you expand. You just come in here and expand the record, and you come in here and right click on the fields and hide them. So I'm gonna right click on all of the fields so that only algebra shows up. So now you can see we have 6 hidden fields, and we can see that in our view. But when we go to the shared view now, when we preview this, it should only show, so it only shows the start date and the name algebra. So they don't even have an option to come in here and see the hidden fields. This is all they can see, and that is perfect. That is what we need. I don't know why Airtable hasn't given us that option yet to just hide fields up here. But if you need to do that, just make sure you have this toggled off. Otherwise this won't work, and you can toggle this one off. It's not going to affect for this example, but you can leave that on. Just make sure that show all fields and expanded records is toggled off, and then you come in here and you expand the record and hide all the fields that you don't want people to see. So that's as simple as it is. Hope this helped, and hope you have a great day. If this did help, just hit subscribe and hit the like button and share it with a friend if you know somebody else that would find this helpful, and hope you have a great day. If you like this kind of content, keep watching for more.